Hi, welcome to Microman. Today we're going to be fulfilling another request, and that is by, I can't pronounce the first part, so I'll just say Hedgehog. And they have asked, can you do a CD, one blank and one with data? And so what I have here is two blank CDs. I'm going to copy a movie onto it, copy a Batman movie onto it, and then we will see what it looks like. Okay, so I've finished copying that movie onto the CD. This is the blank one, and the one on the right is the one with the movie. And even visually, we can see a difference, and I hope the camera can pick it up, but you can kind of tell that it looks different now, and you should be able to see with your eyes a difference between a CD that has data on it and one that does not. So let's head to the microscope and see if we can see Batman under it. Okay, so now we are under the microscope and we are looking at the blank CD. We are starting near the center of the CD, and that's why we have these two colors. You have that clear circle in the middle of the CD, and then you go into this bluer area, which is the area that you write data onto. So let's explore and see what we can see. And just a reminder, this is the blank CD. Now I'm seeing a lot of these black dots or bubbles or whatever they are all over the CD, and I'm going to move to the CD with data on it, and we'll see how it compares. We are now looking at the CD with data on it, starting at the center again, and I don't see any Batman, and it looks the exact same as the blank one. I'm probably gonna zoom in further and see if we can see anything different, because visually you can see a difference on the CDs. So I have now magnified the CD with data on it, and in more detail we see all this surface texture that we were probably seeing before. I'm going to check the blank CD and see if this is the same. I'm now back at the blank CD, and again it looks very similar to the CD with data. Now from this point on, I began looking throughout both CDs trying to find some type of difference, and after lots of searching I didn't really find anything. And so I did some research, and it turns out in order to see data on a microscope you have to have a very powerful microscope, and that would be a microscope like an electron microscope. I sadly do not have that, and it's not in my budget to get something like that, but this is what you should see under electron microscope. Now I'll leave a link in the description to a guy who does find the data under a microscope, and supposedly you can find it under a light microscope, but it's extremely difficult and you have to do a lot of magnification and manipulation with light and different zooming in with cameras. But I tried some of that, and this is the closest thing I was able to do, and I don't even know if this is showing data. So this is the CD with data on it, and if you look closely you see all these lines running from corner to corner on the screen if you look real close, and you can see these lines are broken and segmented, and I wonder if that is the data. It's really hard to see, but it is broken and segmented, and compared to the blank disc or the blank CD, then I'll show you what that looked like. So this here is the blank CD, and if you look close again, you can see those same lines, but in this case they appear to be solid lines that aren't broken, running from corner to corner of the screen. And so I'm not sure if this is for sure data, but it appears to be so. Anyway, I'll show these two next to each other. Anyway, I just want to say thanks to Hedgehog for posting the comment, and I hope you saw something you enjoyed. I know we didn't quite see what we were hoping to see, but I hope you enjoyed today's video, and for those of you who are new, please subscribe and comment below what you would like to see under the microscope, and I will do my best to show you. Anyway, thanks for watching.